I bet you didn't know that the ocean, a vast and mysterious realm, covers more than 70% of our planet's surface. Beneath its shimmering surface lies a world teeming with life, a world as alien to us as the depths of outer space. From the sun-drenched shallows to the inky blackness of the abyssal plains, the ocean pulses with a vibrant energy all its own. Coral reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, explode with color and diversity. Intricately patterned fish dart among the coral branches, their scales flashing like living jewels. Graceful rays glide effortlessly through the water, their wing-like fins tracing patterns against the blue. Schools of silverfish shimmer and dance in unison, a mesmerizing ballet choreographed by the currents. And in the dimly lit depths, bioluminescent creatures light up the darkness with their eerie, otherworldly glow. The ocean is a symphony of life, a testament to nature's boundless creativity. Tropical reef fish are a riot of color and pattern. The emperor angelfish, with its electric blue and yellow stripes, seems to have been painted by an artist's brush. The Moorish idol, with its elongated dorsal fin and bold black, white, and yellow markings, is a study in elegant contrast. The clownfish, made famous by the movie Finding Nemo, seeks shelter among the stinging tentacles of anemones, forming a symbiotic partnership that benefits both creatures. Each species of fish has its own unique adaptations, its own role to play in the delicate balance of the reef ecosystem. Pelagic fish, those that inhabit the open ocean, are no less fascinating. The sleek, powerful tuna, capable of speeds up to 45 miles per hour, is a marvel of hydrodynamic engineering. The majestic manta ray, with its wingspan of up to 23 feet, seems to fly through the water, its movements both graceful and powerful. And then there are the sharks, apex predators that have ruled the oceans for millions of years. From the streamlined, menacing great white to the bizarre hammerhead, sharks are both awe-inspiring and essential to the health of our oceans. Fish are not just beautiful creatures. They are also integral components of marine ecosystems. They play vital roles in the intricate food webs that sustain life in the ocean. Herbivorous fish, like parrotfish and surgeonfish, graze on algae, preventing it from overgrowing and smothering coral reefs. Predatory fish, like sharks and groupers, help to keep populations of other fish in check, preventing any one species from dominating the ecosystem. And when fish die, their bodies decompose, releasing nutrients that fertilize the water and support the growth of plankton, the base of the marine food chain. The health of fish populations is inextricably linked to the health of their habitats. Coral reefs, for example, provide shelter, food, and breeding grounds for a vast array of marine life. Seagrass beds serve as nurseries for many commercially valuable fish species. Mangrove forests, with their tangled roots, offer protection from predators and a rich source of food. When these habitats are damaged or destroyed, fish populations suffer, and the entire marine ecosystem is thrown out of balance. Fish are not just important for marine ecosystems. They are also essential to human well-being. They provide a vital source of protein for billions of people around the world, particularly in developing countries. Fishing is also a major source of income and employment for millions of people globally. But overfishing, pollution, and climate change are taking a heavy toll on fish populations worldwide. According to the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization, over 90% of the world's fish stocks are either fully exploited or overfished. This unsustainable exploitation of our oceans is threatening not only the health of marine ecosystems, but also the livelihoods and food security of millions of people. The ocean is facing unprecedented threats. Climate change is warming the waters and increasing ocean acidity, which is harming coral reefs and other marine life. Pollution from plastic waste, agricultural runoff, and industrial discharge is contaminating the food chain and killing marine animals. Overfishing is decimating fish populations and disrupting marine ecosystems. The ocean is in crisis, and its inhabitants are paying the price. But the ocean's plight is not just an environmental issue, it is also a human issue. The ocean provides us with oxygen, regulates our climate, and sustains our livelihoods. When we harm the ocean, we harm ourselves. We have a moral obligation to protect the ocean, not just for the sake of the creatures that call it home, but also for our own survival. The future of our oceans, and indeed the future of our planet, depends on the choices we make today. We must act now to reduce our impact on the ocean and to protect its fragile ecosystems. We can all do our part by reducing our carbon footprint, choosing sustainable seafood, and supporting organizations working to protect our oceans. Governments must establish marine protected areas, regulate fishing practices, and invest in research and conservation efforts. By working together, we can create a future where our oceans are healthy, vibrant, and teeming with life for generations to come. The ocean is a precious gift, a source of wonder, beauty, and life. Let us not squander this treasure, but instead cherish and protect it for all time. The fate of the ocean is in our hands. For more content on the wonders of our world, subscribe, like, and share our channel Lens of Life Unframed.